The benefit of securitization. What is the benefit we get from the angle of originator and from the angle of investor? You should see. So, want to see in this both angles to get the clarity. How to say it? Maybe. So, the benefit of securities can be viewed from the angle of various parties. First, originator and investor. Originator company usually. Company is the originator. Investors are the money we gave. Shareholders. The originator entity which sells asset to collect a special purpose vehicle to achieve the following benefits. So they have will create a special purpose vehicle, a company in that a specific share pattern, and that they issue to shareholders to get what? Off balance sheet financing. If I go for banking, I get an interest of 12%. I need to pay it properly. But when I sell the shares, I get investment opportunity, more more specialization in main business. I want to create a new branch. But now the SoftBank are investing in AI like us. So main business will be developed. We don't need to put our own money. With others' money, we can specialize in something. When we get more fund, we can do more research, such kind of things. Help to improve financial ratio because debt equity won't increase, but based on the shareholding will be increasing. Na? So reducing the borrowing cost, mainly borrowing cost, interest percentage we pay every month, it's a big burden. If not, it's very profitable for us. From the angel investor, angle of investor, what is it? The benefit from the benefit accrue the investors and security asset. What diversification of risk? Risk has been reduced. If I invest 100% of the company, I have higher risk, but I only invest 2% in this company. Other and 50 times I invested like this in different companies. I have reduced risk. Regulatory requirements. So the government, as per SEBI, they need many regulatory requirements. So they've been protected by the government. Protection against default. If the company is making any default of the assets which is being invested by the investor, a government will interfere in it, protect the investors. Rather than in originator, they will protect the investor in preference basis. So this is what the benefit of securitization.